Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft a door in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually get some logs and I want you to mine some stone. The way you do that, you just come here and hit on this stone and you just go ahead and hit on trees, and I want you to collect those and then press tab on your keyboard to open up pocket crafting. From here I want you to click on workbench, and then you can see right here you need to craft a workbench by getting 4 pieces of any tree trunks, 3 pieces of any stone. Click here on craft, and once you have your workbench, I want you to press F. I want you to click on this icon to open up the crafting menu, and I want you to go ahead and craft a builder's workbench. So click here, you just need 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone. Come here and click on craft. Once you've crafted that, I want you to place it down. Come here and press F, and here under input I want you to go ahead and place any type of logs you want. So I'll go ahead and place this log right here, and as you can see, they allow us to go ahead and make doors. So just click on this door, click on craft, and your door would have been crafted. So I'll press tab here, and as you can see, I have my door right here. I can install it wherever I want. You just need to right click, and I can press F to interact with this door. And there you go. That is how to craft a door in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.